Hello, 大家好, welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today, Aunty will be showing you another Chinese New Year treat series. I'll be making Bak Kwa or pork jerky. So, come let's join Aunty. Alright, these are the blended shallot, garlic and ginger. You can add into the minced pork. Alright, you can add sugar. Followed by the light sauce. Thick sauce. Oyster sauce. Fish sauce. Alright, this is sesame oil. Add in the sesame oil. And this one is Shaoxing wine. Four cubes of fermented bean curd. Some salt. And black peppercorn, I'm gonna pound later. So this is a pounded black peppercorn. Add into the meat. One teaspoon of coriander powder, the spices. Alright, you can find all these ingredients in the beginning of the video in details. So for now, Aunty is mixing it. Alright, Aunty is using wooden rolling pin, but before use, you have to rub with cooking oil. And you have to stir it in one direction vigorously for a few minutes in order to achieve the texture of the chewy texture later on. Alright, after a few minutes of stirring, this is how the texture look like, the bouncy texture. Alright, now is the time to make the shape of the Bak Kwa or pork jerky. We scoop it and then slowly spread it. It's about 4.5 scoop. This one is that my daughter is helping me to make it. I need a helping hand. Alright, you spread evenly. And then this is the method we do. You have to cover it with plastic sheets so that you can spread it evenly. Not too thick and not too thin. Make sure all the edges are covered. Once flattened, you have to put into the oven for 160 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes until it's partially cooked. Alright, Auntie put 3 trays of Bak Kwa for 160 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. But if you have bigger oven, you can put more trays, but you have to adjust your cooking time until it's partially cooked. Once cooked, you reserve the sauce for barbecue later. Alright, it's time for us to cut the Bak Kwa into pieces. You can follow Auntie, how Auntie do, or you cut it according to your own preferences. Alright, after slice, you have to keep it inside the container and chill it in the fridge overnight before barbecue the next day. Alright, pour the reserve sauce on the meat before barbecue. On a medium heat, place the Bak Kwa and grill it both sides until it's cooked. Once grilled, apply the honey mixture on both sides of the Bak Kwa and grill it for a little while, and it's done. Then it's ready to eat. So friends, this is the ending of today's video. Auntie is making Bak Kwa or pork jerky. So this is another Chinese New Year treat series. Anyway, thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment and share. May God bless all.